Ever wished your photo could go viral without you doing a single dance on TikTok? Well, guess what? Now your face can do all the talking as a baby. Yes, you heard that right. There's a brand new AI tool called BabyFace that literally turns any photo into an adorable talking baby video in under 5 minutes. No editing, no tech headaches, no monthly fees. And the best part? It's so simple, even your grandma could launch a baby influencer page with it. Hey everyone, it's Kamal from TestedApps.com, your friendly neighborhood affiliate marketer and SEO guy. After 6+ years of testing tools that promise the world but often deliver a PowerPoint presentation, I finally found something genuinely viral-worthy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how BabyFace works, what makes it different, what you get in each upgrade, and how you can grab my exclusive Tested Apps bonus bundle worth over $25,000 for free when you grab BabyFace through the link below. Yup, I said bonuses. I'm talking SEO tools, traffic generators, AI content boosters, list building systems, all designed to help you turn these cute baby videos into real profits. So before you scroll away to watch another cat compilation, make sure to check that first link in the description. So what exactly is BabyFace? It's the world's first all-in-one AI baby video creation platform that transforms any face, yours, your friends, your favorite celebrity, into a hyper-realistic talking baby in minutes. It's built for content creators, social media marketers, influencers, and entrepreneurs who want viral, emotion-grabbing content that people can't stop sharing. Think of it as your personal Pixar studio, minus the $10 million budget and sleepless animators. Creating a video with BabyFace is so easy, it almost feels illegal. Step 1. Upload any photo, yourself, your friend, your pet, whoever. Step 2. Type your script or upload your voice. The AI instantly converts it into heart-melting baby talk in over 100 languages. Step 3. Add cute baby actions like waving, dancing, or clapping, and boom! Download your viral-ready video in Ultra HD. No editing, no complicated timelines, no crying into your coffee because Premiere crashed again. Here's what makes BabyFace so powerful. You get smart face-swapping tech that nails lighting, expressions, and details automatically. Multi-language voice cloning. Reach audiences across the globe without hiring voice actors. Built-in baby animations that make your videos look fun and alive. Fully customizable backgrounds, gestures, and lip sync. Auto-optimized formats for Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. No resizing nightmares. Download an Ultra HD for that crisp, professional look. Basically, it's like hiring an entire video team, but for the price of a takeout dinner. Now here's where it gets wild. Other tools with voice cloning, animation, and AI lip sync easily charge $49 to $99 per month. That's over $1,000 per year. BabyFace gives you lifetime access for just $47 one time. No subscriptions, no surprise invoices. Just one payment, and it's yours forever. Oh, and pro tip, use coupon code BABY10 to get $10 off instantly. Now let's quickly walk through the funnel, because you'll definitely want to know what's worth upgrading. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the BabyFace AI demo video. In this video, we'll give you a complete overview of the BabyFace AI platform. From transforming your photos into BabyFace avatars, to generating full videos with custom voices, backgrounds, and other AI-powered features. So, let's get started. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see the main features, like Generate Avatar, Generate Video, and Generate Voice. In the top right corner, you'll see your available credits and your profile. In the left-hand menu, you'll find options like My Videos, My Avatars, My Voices, Generate Images, Background Swap, etc. So, let's check out these features. Firstly, click on Generate Avatar, and you'll be redirected to the Avatar section. Now, click the Generate Avatar button and you'll see 3 options: Photo to BabyFace, Photo to Avatar, and Video to Avatar. Creating one BabyFace avatar will consume 2,000 credits, and similarly, creating one avatar will also consume 2,000 credits. But the third option, Video to Avatar, is completely free. You can convert unlimited videos to an avatar without any credits. So, let's start with the photo to BabyFace feature. Click Generate to continue. You will be redirected to the Generate Avatar section. Here, you have to upload an image. Choose your avatar style, like I'm going with baby style for now. Then select the gender, male or female. Lastly, select the aspect ratio of your avatar. And click Generate. In just a few seconds, your BabyFace avatar will be ready. Now, if you choose the Studio BabyFace avatar style and click Generate Now, it will apply studio style edits to your image. As you can see, it will add accessories like headphones, a microphone, and studio background to your BabyFace avatar image. Now, select your favorite avatar image and click Next. Simply add a title and emotion, then save your avatar. You can find your avatar in My Avatar section. Now, click on Generate Avatar and let's check the second option, Photo to Avatar. This works similarly but applies no changes to the image, it just converts it to avatar format. This avatar format can be used to create realistic videos from this image. And now, the third option is Video to Avatar. Simply upload a video, give it a title, select gender, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate Now. No credits are used here, and once done, your video avatar will be ready to use. You can find the final output in My Avatar section. Now, let's check out another amazing feature called My Voices. To upload your voice, click on Clone Your Voice. A pop-up will appear. Enter a title here, choose your language, and upload your voice file. Please read these instructions carefully before uploading your voice file. And click Confirm. Your voice will be saved in My Voice section. Now, let's click on Generate Image. This section lets you generate images from prompts. Simply enter a prompt, for example, I am entering lion image. And click Generate Now. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated image will appear. You can simply enter any prompt according to the type of image you want to generate, and click Generate Now. And your image will be generated in a few seconds. You can download it directly to your device. So, this is how the Generate Image feature will work. Now, let's check out the background swap feature. Firstly, you need to select the background image you want to swap in your video. Then upload a video, in which you want to change the background. And click Swap Now. After a few seconds, your video will be updated with the new background. Ready to download and share on your social media platforms. If you again want to change the background in the video, simply select Image, and click on Generate Now. Now, let's explore the last and the final feature, My Videos. This is the section where everything comes together, whatever you have generated previously. So, simply click Generate Video. Firstly, you have to choose the avatar. You can choose from our pre-made AI avatars, or you can simply use an avatar you've already created. I am going with this baby one, and click Next. Secondly, you have to write the script for your video, and choose a voice. If you do not have the script, no worries, simply click on our AI writer, and type any topic you want. Then click Generate. It will generate content for you. Click Apply to use the generated content. Now, the very last step is to select the voice. You can use AI voices, or your own uploaded voice under My Voices. We also have some baby voices, and premium voices if you would like to use them. You can choose any voice you would like to use in your video. I am going with this AI-generated voice, and click Confirm. You can also test the preview of this voice by clicking on Play Preview. Once you're happy with everything, click Next. So, this render will consume your 1000 credits. Now, you have to enter a title, and click Start Render. Your video will render in a few minutes. Once ready, you can preview, download, and share it anywhere. You also have the option to automatically add captions. Just click the video to preview, and your video will display with on-screen text. You can download and share the video anywhere, with or without captions. This is the full overview of BabyFace AI. From image to avatar creation, voice cloning, image generation, background editing, to final video production. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.
This is why you need BabyFace, the world's first app that turns you into a baby podcast superstar. Seriously, your next viral video is just one photo away. Meet BabyFace, the world's first AI baby podcast platform designed to make you and your content a social media sensation. With BabyFace, you can turn any adult photo, yes, even your boss or your grandma, into an ultra-realistic lip-synced baby avatar that actually talks. Just upload your photo, pick a voice, maybe record your own, or use one of our adorable baby voices, and let the app do the magic. No tech skills needed, no hours editing, just pure, instant fun. Want even more? BabyFace packs in powerful features. Try our baby avatar maker to babyfy yourself, your friends, or even your pets. Use face swap tech for hilarious results. Need ideas? Our AI script generator writes baby talk for you in seconds. Add funny captions and subtitles with just a tap. Perfect for grabbing attention on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. And here's the best part. These baby videos are made to go viral. Post your creations, watch the likes and follows roll in, and even cash in by offering custom shoutouts or launching your own AI baby podcast channel. It's simple, it's fast, and honestly, it's absolutely adorable. So if you want to stand out, grow your audience, and maybe even get famous, BabyFace is your secret weapon. Ready to babyfy yourself and go viral? Get BabyFace now.
OTO1. BabyFace Pro -$47 one-time unlocks premium baby templates, gestures, and effects. Perfect if you want more variety and styles. OTO2. Business Pack -$27 per month gives you fresh monthly updates, templates, and extra credits. Great for frequent content creators. OTO3. Enterprise -$67 one-time adds team accounts, API access, and automation. Ideal for freelancers and small teams. OTO4. Agency Basic -$297. Create and sell videos to clients with 50 client accounts. OTO5. Agency Premium -$497. Go big, 200 client accounts, done-for-you sales materials, and white label branding. OTO6. DFY -$249. Get pre-made baby videos, ad creatives, and campaigns ready to launch. OTO7. Reseller -$97. Sell BabyFace yourself and keep 100% of the profits. OTO8. White label -$997. Your brand, your logo, your domain, full control. If you want everything without clicking through 10 pages, grab the bundle deal for $347. It includes the FE, Pro, Business, Enterprise, and Agency Premium. Huge value there. Now, here's the real talk. I tested BabyFace myself. I uploaded a random selfie, added a simple script, and in under 4 minutes I had a hilarious, talking baby version of myself giving affiliate tips. I posted it on my short-form channel, and boom, it hit 12,000 views in 48 hours. Not bad for a baby who just learned to talk, right? Now, BabyFace isn't for everyone. If you're expecting a full-blown Pixar animation suite or plan to film a Marvel movie with it, you're in the wrong place. This is for creators, influencers, and marketers who want fast, viral content that drives engagement, traffic, and sales. If that's you, you'll love it. If not, maybe just enjoy the cute videos online. Here's the deal. Trends like this don't last forever. Right now, baby videos are dominating social media because they hit that sweet spot of emotion, plus humor, plus shareability. Creators are building massive followings, brands are cashing in, and smart marketers are using BabyFace to create viral baby versions of influencers, celebrities, and clients. It's genius. You can spend months learning editing software or get BabyFace today and start pumping out adorable viral videos in minutes. And remember, this $47 one-time deal won't last. Once the launch ends, it jumps to $297 or becomes a $97 per month subscription, so grab it while you can. And don't forget to claim your exclusive Tested Apps bonus bundle. It's waiting for you inside the members area. The link's right below this video. Click it before the timer hits 0. Alright, legends, that's my full review of BabyFace. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which celebrity you'd turn into a talking baby first. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com, signing off now. Excuse me while I go turn my boss into a baby influencer.